Namaste, welcome to maths class. Today I am going to teach you some basic thing about coordinates. In this class, we are going to learn about the axis and how to plot the coordinates in the graph. Okay, coordinates. This is the graph one. Look here. This horizontal line. This horizontal line is known as x-axis, and this vertical line is known as y-axis. When they caught each other at one point, that's O here. This is called origin. And there are the four parts: 1, 2, 3, 4. These four parts are known as the quadrant. This is first quadrant, the second quadrant, third quadrant, and this is the fourth quadrant. So this first quadrant, in first quadrant, which part there? This side is positive, and this is also positive. First quadrant, axis one part is positive, y-axis is also positive. And this second quadrant, x-axis part is negative, and y-axis part is positive. And third quadrant, x-axis part is negative and y-axis part is also negative. But in fourth quadrant, x-axis part is positive and y-axis part is negative. Okay. In the coordinate, look, name of the coordinate is given A. Okay. And 2, 3, we have to put them in bracket, small bracket. And these 2 points will be separated by comma. Compulsorily we have to put the comma. And this first one value is known as, okay, x coordinate. 2 is x coordinate, or we can tell it abscissa also. X coordinate and abscissa, its another name is abscissa. And this 3 is y coordinate, and we can tell it ordinate only also. Ordinate. Look, describing the points, okay, shown as an ordered pairs. How to describe? Look here. Quadrant, general form of the point in this quadrant. Okay. Quadrant 1, look, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. As I told, if both positive, then that coordinate will lie in first quadrant. If both positive value, first also positive, second also positive, both of them will lie in this one. Okay, this will lie in first quadrant. If first x coordinate is negative, y coordinate is positive, this lies in second quadrant. And third quadrant, both the values negative, okay, then that lies in third quadrant. Okay, look, this x coordinate also negative, y coordinate also negative, that lies in third quadrant. And this is fourth quadrant. First x coordinate will be positive and second one will be negative, then that lies in fourth quadrant. Okay. And here, in which quadrant is the point -7, 10? Okay, -7, 10 located. That also we have to. Here I have repeated the coordinate again and again. This one, okay. Here also I just so here this is repeated here. Okay. And similarly here also. Negative, positive. Okay. Okay. Also in this one both negative, then it lies in third quadrant. First positive, second negative, it lies in fourth quadrant. Okay. First value positive, second is negative, that means it lies in fourth quadrant. Okay. Here, in which quadrant is the point -7, 10 located? And we have written first is negative, second is positive. That is when we plot them, okay, you will find out that it will lie in this point -7, 10 is located, in is it in quadrant 2, second quadrant. Okay. Similarly here, what happens if an ordered pair has an x or y coordinates of 0? Okay. That means look here, a point located on one of the axes is not considered to be in a quadrant, that is not in quadrant. It is simplifiable. Okay. It is simply on one of the axes. Now whenever the x coordinate is 0, if x coordinate will be 0, the point is located on the y axis. If x coordinate 0, that lies on the y axis. Similarly, any point that has a y coordinate of 0 will be located on the x-axis. Okay. If the coordinate the y coordinate 0, then if there is given x coordinate only and y coordinate remains 0, that lies in the x-axis. Okay. Like this, we have to understand about the basic thing one, and we know that coordinate of the origin, or where they caught each other, that means x-axis and y-axis caught each other, that coordinate of that point will be 0, 0. Okay. This one I want to show here. Okay, this one. The coordinate of this point of intersection 0, 0. The coordinate of this origin will be 0, 0. Okay. Thank you very much.